Hello everyone, welcome to Wealthy Mindset. My name is Oliver. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you're at. And today I'm going to be covering BlackBerry, GameStop, AMC, and Nokia, and also the Dow Jones to cover the market in general. This is for the trading day, February 8th. Quick disclaimer like always, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a professional, so please do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. Do not buy and sell based off of the opinion I form from what I show you, and so on and so forth. I do own shares in BlackBerry, been holding for 6 years, so long-term investor. So we're going to start off with the Dow Jones first. Dow Jones is looking great. Basically, from what I showed you guys from the last video, upward trend support line right here, another one right here. So even if it did break through this, we would have bounced off that. But either way, we bounced beautifully off this support line and went straight up and created all-time high, like I stated in the previous video. So technically, what you could be asking is how high will we go for today? The utmost max that I can see is 31,750, but I don't see that happening today, but that would be the utmost max if you're optimistic fully. What I think it's going to happen is it looks like what it's happening right now is consolidated around this ballpark right here. It's where we're at right now. And if you think it's going to go down at one point, the lowest we would go, like in terms of the lowest, how low we would go, would be $31,102, $31,103, $5, so on and so forth, plus or minus a couple of dollars. And I think if we did go down that low, we would go consolidate around here because we had a bunch of back tests right here, so we would have a good support line right here and consolidate around here for the most part. But I think it'll continue on this uptrend regardless, and for the next few days. And even if it does break this support line, I think we would fall back on the support line, obviously. So we're good for the next few days, I think, in my opinion. Again, form your own opinion, come to your own conclusions, so on and so forth. And the MACD line's in the positive. We're above both moving averages too, short and long. So everything is looking good for the next few days, regardless. That's for the Dow Jones. And again, I know I say this all the time, but I will do a deep dive Dow Jones analysis soon in terms of the next 6 months. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing so you'll be notified when I do upload that video, so you could be notified for that video. And now for BlackBerry, BlackBerry's in good shape overall. MACD line is in the negative though. We are just crossed over the moving average to short one, so that's not really good. But we did have an upward trend support line right here. We had another support line that I do have in another video from my last video, 3-4 minutes long video. The only thing is I'm uploading a video soon for road to $180 a share for BlackBerry. I didn't want to mess up with these lines at the moment, but we do. Okay, so in terms of how low will we go for the day, in my opinion, based off that video from the Friday upload 3-4 minute video, which was my last video, I think the lowest we'll go is $13 and what was it, a couple cents. I think $13 and like 4 cents or something. Maybe $13 exactly as a false breakout. But if we go lower than that, but that's my opinion. But if we go lower than that, I don't think we will. But if we do, we'll be hovering around the $12.88, $12.94, $12.84. There was a consolidation period around there, / good support right around there. So if we go any lower than that, I'll comment down below in the video and I'll pin that comment for all these price points, and I'll pin that so that way you guys can see it in the video. So so that's the lowest we would go for the day. But then if you're optimistic and you think we're going to bounce back up, which I think we're probably going to be honest, we're probably going to consolidate around here. I think ultimately, consolidate around here for the most part, give or take. Maybe even, 13.25 consolidation, probably going to head down there. But if you think we're going to reverse and go to the upside, the highest I think we're going to go, it was at 14.65. That's the most highest. Let me see, actually right about here. 14.66. If you really want to go for a stretch, 14.91. The reason why I looked at the graph completely and it was like 14.91, but I think from what I saw, we were going to get shot down to 14.80. But that's the utmost highest. But before that, we need to pass 14.60, and so on and so forth. We might even go to 14.35 and consolidate around there. But 14.60, I think, would be the utmost highest for the day. But we'll see. Now GameStop. GameStop's pretty interesting. So again, we have the downward resistance line dating back from the ultimate high from the 483. The only thing is, though, I remember I saw it for 490 something, but regardless, doesn't matter. And we've been knocked down ever since. We had another downward trend resistance line right about here, dating back from February 2nd. And that's keeping you guys down. You guys almost had almost broke out, but it was a false breakout this morning, and just kept on going down from there. So the question is, how low will you guys go? You guys are already past that. So you guys do not want to go lower than, from what I remember, I measured, it was $54. But I guess you could even ultimately go down to $49.94. Again, plus or minus a couple cents, plus or minus a couple dollars. But you guys don't want to break that $49.94, $49.62 ballpark. But you guys do have good support at the $54 from what I remembered. Yeah, $54. So back test right here, $54. Back test right here, $54. A little bit here, and then right about here. So you guys will have good support there. I think you guys are going to consolidate at the $54 mark. You do not want to break the support level. So you guys, again, from previous videos you would have saw, there's this good support level that dates back even further than this. And that support level was at the $74 mark. As of today, it's $77 mark right now. If you guys do go past that, you're in okay shape, but I'll acknowledge the upside soon. But you guys broke through that, which sucks. And then now, hopefully, you guys do not break lower than $47 for today. Again, as you move on forward, like as the days go by, it goes higher and higher. So but right now, you do not want to break $47. There's good support. Most likely, you guys will bounce up and go up from here. But I'll keep you posted if you do break lower than that. But again, ultimately $49 and $54. $54, I think consolidation going to the side, etc., etc. Now, if you do break this resistance level, first to break that resistance level, you need to be at the $73 mark. I know you almost basically got there today, but as it goes lower, the lower you need to break that resistance level, right? Downward trend resistance level. So $73. Actually, sorry, did I say $73 or is it 75? Let me see, where is it? Yeah, $73, $75. That's what it is. Now you want to get back to this upward support line. That's what it is. So you need to hit $80. Exactly is $85, $84. If you guys hit that, it would be good. It would actually be perfect because you'd go above the support line and bounce back up to the support line also. So $84, $85 would be on the upside. But before you get there, the first resistance level you're going to be meeting is $73, $74. So that's that. I'll keep you guys posted, and again in the comments down below if anything drastic happens. Now for AMC, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, AMC, you guys been kept down for the downward resistance line ever since 2016, December. You guys did pass it, false breakout, got knocked down by the moving average, went down. Now you want to come back up. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. This is where you're at. Hopefully you guys come back up. Right about here is the $10 mark for the most part. But let's get to the exact. So you guys came down to the $6 mark, which is not really that great. You do have support at the $6 mark, but hopefully consolidate around here. If you guys do drop down, there was support at the $5.81. But if you fall below $5.81, that's not good. Obviously, it's not good, but hopefully consolidate around there, because if you don't, you're heading down to the $5.30 or $5.25, somewhere around there. Let me see if I can get it here. Was it here? Yeah, or actually, 547 is the first one, 550. Yeah, 547, 550. But then after that, it was right about, 523. I think I remember I saw one at 538 or something around there. But hopefully you guys don't drop below that. But again, you guys have a downward trend resistance line dating back from January 27th. And then you have another downward trend resistance line right about here. If you guys hopefully bounce above it, that's the downside. Now for the upside, you need to at least clear, hit $7. If you guys could clear $7, you'd be good, because not only will you pass this downward trend resistance line, but you'll pass this resistance line right here that's forming, so $7, because you guys consolidate right around here. To pass this, you need to pass essentially $8.10. So that way it's not just a false, that could even be a false breakout. So probably $8.40 to pass this downward trend resistance line and start going to the upside. So that's what you guys are looking at for the most part. Again, hopefully you guys consolidate around this ballpark and then start reversing to the upside. I don't see anything right now pointing to that, but hopefully you do. MACD lines in the negative. You guys are underneath both moving averages, so it's not looking that great, but it looks like a reversal might start soon. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So now for Nokia, like always, you have two downward trend resistance lines that I always show. I think it's because it's pretty crazy. So you guys right here, back to, by the way, this dates back from 2001, 2010, right about here, 2009. You guys back tested it here in August 2020, but you did not pass it. Haven't back tested yet, hypothetically. This is at the $5.04 ballpark, give or take, for the most part. But you want to know what's happening today. You guys are creating an upward trend support line, which is good, right here. But you guys have a downward trend resistance line dating back from, ideally, most likely, since January 29th. That's the main one. So hopefully you guys pass it. If you guys pass it, you need to at least, you're probably going to get knocked down from it though. $5.41. Let me see. Yeah, $5.41 from what I measured last time. Where is it? 41.43. It's probably going to be a false breakout. You guys are going to get knocked down and bounce off this upward support line. But actually, to pass it fully, you need $5.56. If you guys hit $5.56, you reverse to the upside. That would be the beneficial, like obviously ideal. Now, if you don't and you head down, the lowest I see you guys going for today is $4.15. Because you have a lot of back test support right here, 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 and probably consolidate for a long time at $4.15. Hopefully a long time. Let's see. Not too much for a long time. Probably for the next couple of days. But that's the utmost lowest. I don't think you guys are going to go lower than that. Before that, you'll be consolidating for a while at $4.22. But hopefully you guys reverse, break through this. Or not reverse. Hopefully you guys go up. Looks like you guys just broke. Actually, no, not that. But yeah, still keeping up at it, so that's good. But hopefully you guys break this downward trend resistance line and you'll be in good shape. But again, I'll keep you guys posted if anything drastic happens. Thanks for watching, by the way. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did like the video, give it a thumbs up. Helps out the channel. Really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll try to answer them as quick as possible. And if you do like videos in terms of stocks, financial stuff, mortgages, credit scores, passive income, financial freedom, etc., consider subscribing. So that way you can be notified when I do upload those videos. Thanks again for watching, guys. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.